Welcome to Study Physics. In this video we will be solving problems of chapter 31, that is capacitors, and today's first problem will be 26th, and in 26th problem there are 4 sub parts. We will be solving part by part, and there will be separate videos for all the 4 parts. So in the first video we will solve only 26th A. So in this problem what is asked is, find the equivalent capacitance of the combination shown in the figure between indicated points. So what we have to do is, we have to evaluate the equivalent capacitance of this given network in between points A and B. So how we will be doing is, see here we can see this pictures looks like a bridge. So we have to first decide whether this bridge is balanced or not. So in order to decide whether the bridge is balanced or not, what we will be doing is, we will just product these two terms. So 1 into 1, that is equals to 1 only, and we will multiply these two terms. So this will be like 3 into 3, so 9. So what we can say here is 1 not equals 9. So by that time this bridge is not balanced. So if the bridge is not balanced, how we will be doing this problem is, see we can see here a T network. So we will just convert this T network into a equivalent pi, and after that we can solve this problem. So what we will be doing is, we will convert this T network into pi. So how we will be doing that is, for these two parameters we will write one equivalent parameter. So let us write it like this. And similarly for these two parameters we will be writing one equivalent parameter. So it will be like this. Again for these two parameters we will be writing only one equivalent parameter, and it will be like this. So now we have drawn the equivalent pi for this particular T. Now how to decide these parameters, means this 1, 2 and 3. So how to decide these 3 parameters is very simple. So how we can do is 1 into 3. So 1 into 3 is just 3 only, and after that we need to add all these parameters of the T network, that is 1 plus 3, so 4 plus 4, so it is just 8. So this parameter will be exactly equals to 3 upon 8. Similarly how we can do this is, it will be like 3 into 4, so 12 upon, again you have to add all the T parameters, so that will be 8 only, so it will be 12 upon 8. Similarly for these two parameters we will decide, or we will write this equivalent parameter. So it will be like 1 into 4, so 4, and again you have to add all the terms, so it will be like 8. So now we have drawn a different network in which we don't need these 3 parameters. So what we need is this parameter, and this parameter, and after that these 2 parameters. So let us write this point as a C. So after writing this point as C, how this network will look like is, now consider this as point A and this as point B. So how many points required in this network is A, B, and 1 point more is C. So we will be writing C here. So now how to draw the next drawing is, we can see here in between A to B there is one parameter of 3 by 8. So how will be writing is, A to B 3 by 8 is there. So we will be writing A to B 3 by 8, and we have written this parameter in this network. So we will just put a tick over here. So we have taken this element. Now we have to consider this element. So it is in between A to C. So how we will be doing is, we will write a passive parameter in between A to C. So consider at this point only. So it is 4 upon 8, and we have taken care of this parameter. So we will put a tick over here. Again it is in between C to B. So you have to write a parameter in between C to B. So C to B one parameter is there, 12 upon 8. So you have now taken this parameter as well. Again you will have a 3 capacitor, 3 microfarad capacitor. All these capacitor are in terms of microfarad. So this is also in between A to C, so you will be writing one more parameter in between A to C. So this is of 3 microfarad. Similarly one more parameter in between C to B. So what you can do here is you can write one more parameter in between C to B, and that is of 1 microfarad only. So now how we will be solving this network is, see, these two parameters are in parallel. Similarly these two parameters are in parallel, so we will first decide this equivalent. So this value will be like, these two terms are in parallel, so just add these values. So this is 3 plus 4 upon 8, so 4 upon 8, that value will be 24 plus 4, so 24 plus 4, that is 28, so 28 by 8, and this value will be 1 plus 12 upon 8, so this will be like 20 upon 8. And now see, these two parameters are in series, so their equivalent will be like so equivalent to 1, I am writing like equivalent to 1. So equivalent to 1 will be, because this will be one equivalent, or other is this one, so this equivalent will be like 28 into 8, 28 by 8 into 20 by 8 divided by 28 by 8 plus of 20 by 8. So this value will be like 560 upon 64 into 8 will be there, and these two terms when added, that is 48 only. So this value will be like 8, and this value will be like 70. So again you can cut, that is 35 by 24. So first equivalent value will be, like 35 by 24. So now we can decide the equivalent capacitance between A to B, and that will be like these two parameters are in parallel, so 35 by 24. Now what we can do here is, this will be like 24, so 3 3s are 9, and this value will be like 35, so it will be like 44 upon 24. So how we can do here is, this will be like 11 upon 6. So the A to B equivalent capacitance will be like 11 upon 6 microfarad. So in this way we have completed problem 26A, and let us match this answer, and 26th A value is just 11 upon 6 microfarad, so this is correct only.